In today's digital landscape, standing out as a freelancer or a small business owner means harnessing the power of innovative tools. Among the most impactful is Videogen AI, a platform that empowers users to create professional, captivating advertisement videos with the help of artificial intelligence. Whether you're promoting a spa service, offering coaching sessions, or marketing any kind of personal service, Videogen AI can help you communicate your value, connect with your audience, and grow your brand. Let's explore how you can use Videogen AI to create compelling promotional videos for your personal services, even if you have no prior experience with video production. I've dropped the link down below in the description so it's easy for you to find. Once you land on the home page, you'll see a big red button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click that. Sign up for an account. You'll get two simple options: sign in with Google or register using your email. To begin, imagine you're a freelancer or a small business owner. Perhaps you run a boutique spa or you offer online coaching to busy professionals. Your biggest challenge is cutting through the noise and showing potential clients why your service is unique. You know video is the most engaging content format, but producing high-quality videos can be expensive and time-consuming. This is where Videogen AI steps in, transforming video creation into a streamlined, accessible process. First, get started by signing up for Videogen AI. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so even those with little technical knowledge can navigate it with ease. Once you've registered, you're greeted by a dashboard that guides you through the video-making process step by step. The AI-powered engine is at the heart of the platform, ready to assist you in generating scripts, choosing visuals, adding voiceovers, and more. Start by defining your objective. Are you promoting a new spa package? Launching a coaching program? Maybe you want to highlight testimonials or showcase your unique approach. Clearly stating your goal will help the AI tailor the content to your needs. For example, if you're advertising a spa service aimed at relaxation, you'll want your video to evoke a sense of calm and luxury. Next, input a brief description of your service and your target audience. Videogen AI uses this information to generate a draft script that aligns with your brand's voice and speaks directly to your ideal clients. You can review the script, edit it as needed, or let the AI suggest improvements for clarity, engagement, and impact. This feature saves you hours of brainstorming and writing, ensuring your message is polished and compelling. Now it's time to choose your visuals. Videogen AI offers access to a vast library of stock footage, images, and animated elements. For a spa ad, you might select clips of tranquil spaces, soothing massage scenes, or nature-inspired backgrounds. For coaching, you could opt for visuals of people achieving goals, working together, or engaging in meaningful conversation. You can also upload your own photos or video clips to personalize your project. Once your visuals are in place, the AI helps match them with your script, creating a seamless narrative flow. If you want to add branding elements, such as your logo, colors, or custom graphics, Videogen AI makes it easy to incorporate these details, ensuring consistency across all your promotional materials. The next critical step is audio. Videogen AI provides a selection of royalty-free music tracks that can set the tone for your video. Think calming melodies for spa promotions, or upbeat tunes for motivational coaching ads. You can also choose from a range of AI-generated voiceovers in different languages and accents. If you prefer a personal touch, you can record your own narration directly within the platform. The AI will analyze your audio and suggest adjustments for clarity and pacing, ensuring your message is delivered with professionalism and warmth. With all elements assembled, Videogen AI previews your video, allowing you to make final tweaks. You can adjust the timing of scenes, rearrange visuals, or fine-tune audio levels. The AI's smart editing tools help you avoid common mistakes, such as awkward transitions or mismatched music, making sure your finished product feels smooth and engaging. When you're satisfied with your video, you can export it in various formats suitable for social media, websites, or email marketing campaigns. Videogen AI optimizes your file for each platform, so you never have to worry about technical compatibility. The platform also offers built-in analytics, letting you track how your video performs, how many views it gets, how long people watch, and what actions they take afterward. This data is invaluable for refining your future campaigns and understanding your audience better. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine you're a freelance wellness coach. You want to create a video ad for your mindful living coaching package. You describe your service to Videogen AI. I help busy professionals reduce stress and improve well-being through personalized coaching. The AI drafts a script that highlights your approach, the benefits of your service, and an inviting call to action. Transform your life today. Book a free consultation. For visuals, you choose serene nature scenes, people meditating, and a few candid shots of you working with clients. The AI automatically sequences these visuals to match your script, adding gentle transitions and overlaying your logo in the corner. You select a calming background track and use an AI-generated voiceover that feels friendly and reassuring. In minutes, you have a polished video ready to share on your website and social media profiles. The advantages of using Videogen AI go beyond speed and convenience. The platform empowers you to experiment with different styles, messages, and formats. You can A/B test videos to see which resonates more with your audience, tweak your message based on feedback, and produce new content as your business evolves. This flexibility is especially valuable for freelancers and small business owners who need to adapt quickly to market trends and client needs. Moreover, Videogen AI democratizes video production. You don't need to invest in expensive equipment or hire a professional editing team. The AI handles the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on what you do best, serving your clients and growing your business. By leveraging artificial intelligence, you can create content that rivals big-budget productions, setting yourself apart in a crowded marketplace. To maximize your results, combine your Videogen AI videos with a thoughtful marketing strategy. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, where potential clients are most active. Embed them in your website's landing pages to boost conversion rates. Send them in email newsletters to engage your existing audience. Each video becomes a powerful tool to communicate your brand story and demonstrate your expertise. In summary, Videogen AI is a game changer for freelancers and small business owners looking to promote personal services. By streamlining the video creation process, the platform enables you to produce high-quality, engaging ads that capture attention and drive results. With AI-generated scripts, professional visuals, dynamic audio, and smart editing tools, you can craft videos that reflect your brand's identity and connect with your ideal clients. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, give Videogen AI a try. Create your first ad, share it with the world, and watch as your audience grows. With the right tools and a clear message, you have everything you need to succeed in today's competitive market.